Welcome back to MS Live right here on MS24 TV with yours truly, Mac Milton. And I have a superstar in the building, and he goes by the name Kelvynboy. Badman.
Badman.
Badman,
Alpha.
Apaba. Charlie.
Yeah. Now today.
Charlie, dope, Charlie. I just love your drip.
Active.
Too hot.
Be active.
Too hot, Charlie.
It's something simple. Oh.
Charlie, I can see. Today, we're not going to waste much time. I want us to get right into it. Your new song, Blue Ticks.
Yeah, man.
I love it. The message in the song, it has that high life element in it.
Yeah.
What inspired the song in the first place?
It's the beat.
Okay.
The beat, actually. I think I did this song like 7 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah. The beat was sent to me by Samson. So I listened to the beat and I'm like, yo, this one, it slap hard. It has this UK bounce, the Afro beat, the high life is the high life is like the foundation.
Yeah.
And it has that UK slap too. You understand? So I was like, okay, let me do something in between this. You understand? And I wanted to do a breakup song.
Okay.
Yeah. So Blue Ticks.
Okay.
I was like, okay, Blue Ticks. People go relate to her because one way or the other, somebody give you blue tick.
Me, I get them. Wow. Shout times.
Eh.
Plenty time. What about you, Kelvynboy? You get blue ticks?
Of course. Everywhere. Maybe you not gonna be much, but
Okay.
maybe me I go to give people blue ticks
more.
with that. So I know everybody go relate to it.
Okay.
Because either they give you or you give somebody.
Someone.
Yeah.
So what you talking there? That means it be personal experience.
Yes, small. And then I know say people go, you say something, some topic, you know, so okay, this be something where everybody, I mean experienced before. Blue ticks be something where either you give the person or the person give you. So it'll be relatable. Okay. So let's get it.
Okay.
Yeah,
so nice. Kelvynboy, you said it took you 7 years to drop this song.
Yeah.
Why did it take you that long? Because you dropped down flat. You are giving us back-to-back hits. Why did it take you that long to drop this song?
This one?
Yeah.
I mean, there's a saying that God's time is the best, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's the feeling. I feel like, even now I feel like I want to drop the song.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'd be very cool. It seems right now you are carving a niche for yourself, especially when it comes to your sound. How long did it take you to create this sound? Because fusing in with a lot of elements, high life, the bounce, the Afro beat. How long did it take you to carve this niche?
It took me years, but that was way back then. Because started from the church and I was singing in the band, singing reggae, funk, high life. You understand? R&B, everything. So I think that's where I mastered the balance of it all. Do you understand? So yeah, when I started doing my songs, from the time I started talking about Afrobeat. Yeah, I've been doing this for a while.
We know like you have been one of the artists who was really pushing Afrobeat.
Yes.
Who was really pushing Afrobeat. Okay.
And I'm very excited.
Yes, and right now it's big.
Yeah, it's big and everyone is doing it and it's working.
Yeah.
When you hear any song these days, it's like it's sweet, you know, the sweet part.
Okay.
That be where we they hit right now, and I like it.
Okay. So Kelvynboy, let's talk about Excellent remix with Kojo Black. It was fire. How did you connect with Kojo Black?
Oh, Kojo is my boy.
Okay.
Kojo, I think that day we were going to the club. We were supposed to go to the club. So on the way to the club, we were playing, the guy was playing Kojo's song.
Okay.
And I think it was, as you know, baby, without you, I know we process. I was like, I like this guy, you know. I like it, the kind of sound. Yeah, and the guy was like, oh, you my guy, yo. Every day they talk about you, you say, really want to have song with you. I said, are you sure? Okay. I like his sound. He was like, he's calling him. I thought he was joking. He called him. He's like, oh, we did a studio. And I'm like, okay, this time club, you know, catch. So you could just pass there. Okay. We went there. He played that song. I did the verse. That was it.
Okay, okay, that's very dope.
Yeah.
And it's very big.
Yeah, it just
Everybody's
happened
loving
like
the song.
that.
It's
Yeah, it
loving
just happened.
And I know you have also worked with Raven.
Yeah, Raven to be my
yeah.
boy. Raven to be bad artist. The sound, I mean, you know, I get excited, you know, when I hear this because the time I they come, that kind of sound, if it did be like it was new to their ears.
Yeah.
You understand? It was really hard for you to get it into their ears. But right now, they can make it normal, so I love it.
Okay. So, Kelvynboy, what do you think of the new crop of artists who are doing Afrobeat? What do you think about how they
doing
approach
really
music?
good. They're doing really good, and I see that the future is big.
Okay.
I can see the future is really big. Trust me, really big.
Okay, okay. That's very dope. I know that Kelvynboy, you are a family man.
Yeah.
Right now you have 3 kids.
4.
4. Hey, wow.
3 girls, 1 boy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Charlie, Kelvynboy, oh boy, Juma.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, 4. Nice, nice, nice. So how does it affect how you approach music now? Or how does it influence?
Influence, yes.
Yeah, how does it influence how you approach
doesn't
music?
really affect. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you listen to my songs right now, you can feel the growth. You understand the growth? Yeah, I've learned a lot, and then yeah, I've experienced a lot. So I put it in my music still.
Okay.
You understand the emotions and everything. It wasn't like before that I was like that. That just happy boy, excited, but just doing his thing.
Okay.
You know, there's family now, so
you have to be very careful.
Careful of the things I say, the things I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. I know this year you were supposed to drop an album. What happened to it?
Oh, this is an album beat, like a body of work, you know.
Yeah.
You need to really take your time to drop it. Because my first and last, wasn't the last, my previous, and that was my first album.
Yeah.
It's Black Star album.
Yeah.
And it's unique. They love it. I cannot do anything less.
Yes.
You understand? So I wanted to put it together. I was trying to figure out myself again, how to take the sound to the next level.
Okay.
I think everything is aligning right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Blue Ticks is the first single on the album?
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, but management won't make it just be single, then it will be a total different album.
Okay.
But I love the song to be on the. We will think about that again.
As you said, your debut album was a statement. Can you give us a little glimpse on how you are going to approach this project?
Yes. From the songs.
Yes.
That I've done. I mean, when you listen to the songs, you can see that I'm coming with a different approach. There's a message. You understand? You know, the experience and then the journey, everything. I put it in there. There are songs that talks about the journey, the down times. There are songs that talk about, you know, the happy moments, and you know, the good times. There are songs that talk about love, break up, you know. So I'm trying to let it be like, you know, something that is coming from my heart.
Okay.
You
so
understand?
It's a bit of everything.
Everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the approach, like what I've been through, like the experience, everything.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice one. Kelvynboy, I want us to talk about Black Star concerts. It has been hold for some time. The last one was 2023.
Yeah.
This year, are we getting Black Star concerts?
Next year.
Next year, rather.
Yeah, because we're in December already.
Yeah.
Because if I was going to do it, I should be promoting it by now.
Yeah.
So we're in December already. So I'm trying to drop the project early next year, and I'll do the show early next year within that time.
Okay. So why
we don't have to wait for another December?
Okay. So why do you have to put on hold? Was there any challenges? What was going on?
As I was saying, we were trying to put things together. So you know, if you want to do like a concert, you really have to take your time, promote it well, do it well, have a plan for it. You understand? Okay. We were in talking terms with other people trying to put the album together, so we didn't have time to prepare for the show. Do you understand? So I think next year is going to be the best year.
Okay. But Kelvynboy, do you think in the near future you are going to get your own record label and sign artists?
Most definitely.
Okay.
I would love to do that a lot. I've been talking about it all the time.
Okay.
I like to put people on. I feel like it takes nothing away from you when you put people on. You even rise by lifting others. You understand? So yeah, it's something where did my heart to I really want to do. Yeah. My kids too, they can sing.
So okay.
The music business there, we day inside forever.
Okay. Okay. But Kelvynboy, do you think in the near future will you love to work with a family member in this music space? As maybe a manager or being part of your team?
Why not?
Okay.
You understand? If the person have the potential.
Okay.
You understand? Why not? It makes it easier.
Okay. The reason I'm asking you this is that recently Burna Boy parted ways with his mom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Really? Even his mom?
Yes. That's why I'm asking, because, I mean, working with a family member or being part of a record label has its ups and downs, and you have worked with a record label before. You know the experience. That's why I'm asking you that.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. If the person have the potential, you understand?
Okay.
If you get the potential, we can always work together.
Okay. So right now, Kelvynboy, you are an independent artist.
I've been independent from time.
From time.
You know, say I deal with Black CD.
Yeah.
We did Black Arm Entertainment. Yeah, that's my management.
Okay.
From day one. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
So right now,
we are independent.
Okay. So right now, if a big label approach you, that Kelvynboy, I love your sound. I love what you do. What are the things you are looking out for before you sign to maybe a major record label?
I need to go through the terms and conditions and everything, and know that it favors me. I need to be comfortable. Why not?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we need, a label that will take the thing to the next level.
Okay.
But with or without it, Jack guide, say we there,
Yeah, you have been like you have been pushing yourself.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you have really been pushing yourself. Yeah. So in case Kelvynboy, you're supposed to, let me say, to form a boy band or a boys band. Which are some of the artists you love to collaborate with to form that group?
You mean like colleague artists?
Yes.
A band. That means I need someone who's going to play the keyboard and drums.
Anyhow you're going to go about it.
I don't know how you want me to. I have a band, actually. Okay. My band. So I don't know. I don't understand what you're trying to say. Like,
like it's not like a band, like boys band, like colleagues. That okay, if you are supposed to form a group like Boys to Men to work with, okay, maybe they are projecting, maybe you are putting out a project or an album.
Okay. Oh, okay. These are my colleagues, the ones that are close to me, like my colleagues.
Like you have to mention something.
Twitch, Dark Vibes,
okay,
Medical.
Okay.
Who's close to me? Famille.
Okay. Okay. I know you have a song with Famille. Can you tell us your relationship with Famille?
Oh, we are cool. Okay. We don't have a song out there.
Okay.
No.
No, it's Kofi Molly rather.
Yes. Oh, Molly.
Because how it sounds.
I've also my family.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You know they meet like that. That kind of people we know they meet, but anytime they meet, the energy.
Yeah.
You understand? Positive.
Yeah. Recently, I saw you vibing to Diko's song.
Oh, Diko.
Yeah, I saw you vibing to Diko's song. And recently, he made a statement that Ghanaians don't support his music. Yeah, Ghanaians don't support his music. And he's someone who is like really growing in the music space. Do you think mostly Ghanaians, we don't appreciate upcoming artists?
It's a little bit hard when you're doing it from Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah, it's different. But they do support. That's when they hear of people. If they don't support, they're not going to hear of
Yeah, for real.
So, just that I think maybe the support is not enough.
Okay.
not that crazy, but the same people they support me. You get me?
Okay.
You be say every time we urge them to go support we more, like the energy, make more. Yeah, and as I told her, and as energy, no. Yeah. But they are the same people that support us.
Yeah, nice one. I know, like Kelvynboy, you have been in the space for a long time.
Yeah.
You had the opportunity to work with Stefflon Don and Techno on Down Flat Remix. Which was really big. How did it come about?
Okay, Stefflon Don, it was Small God.
Okay.
Yeah, it was Small God that called her to do the verse. I was shocked. It took like a day.
Okay.
And she did it. So Techno is my big brother already. Like a big brother.
Okay.
To me. We had a song before that.
Okay.
We had recorded a song before Down Flat.
Okay.
So we did that one, and after that I did a Down Flat. He's like, no, it's this song, I want to do verse on it.
Yeah.
And he did it. I'm like, oh, okay, let's get it. You know. Yeah.
So Kelvynboy, I know you're a prolific songwriter. If you're supposed to write music or songs for any artist, which artist would you love to write for?
Everyone that would love to sing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But have you, like, wrote some music that you felt, oh, this one is not really for me?
A lot.
Okay.
I have a lot of songs that I feel like somebody else should sing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But do you reach out to them that, okay, I have this song, let's agree on this, maybe in terms of loyalty?
Honestly,
or stuff?
not really. As I was saying, I have songs there that I feel like, okay, somebody else
will fit.
Maybe I don't know who particular, but somebody else.
Okay.
Maybe this song, if it'll be for
Oh, okay.
You understand? So, yeah.
Okay, nice one,
like
nice
that,
one.
yeah.
So Blue Takes is out on all streaming platforms. Kelvynboy, this one, give us some line of Blue Takes before we wrap everything up.
All right. I'll say, Soja why me lonely, I need you right now. My heart is burning down. Man down, man down. Mad over you like run town. Empty my bank account. Baby, oh, nobody saying yeah. Why am I say yeah? Yeah. Say she no want again, no. Oh my baby, oh yeah. Why you do me so, yeah? Say she no want again, no. Oh my baby, oh yeah. She give me blue ticks. Oh, beside me say who this? Can't believe, say she did do this. I be new to this, but I don't want a new chick. If you say me you're real to this love, if you did share, you're crazy.
Crazy, yeah. That's the man, Kelvynboy, is out with a new song. Blue Takes is out on all streaming platforms. Guys, you can check it out and add your playlist. I go by the name Mac Moten. You can follow us on our socials. MS24GH, #MS Live. Catch you same time, same place. Love conquers all. Peace. I'm out. She give me blue.